Most outdoor furniture looks decent in product photos and disappoints the moment it arrives at your door. Today I want to talk about a set that actually breaks that pattern. I'm reviewing the Caggiano 77.56-inch reclining chaise lounges by Wade Logan. Two outdoor loungers engineered for real comfort, built to handle real weather, and designed to look good doing both. On Tech Egadget, I only cover products that are genuinely worth your attention, and this one earned its spot. Let's get into it. The Caggiano set lands as two full-size chaise lounges, each one nearly 77.5 inches long, which means actual full-body stretch room, not the cramped experience you get from undersized patio chairs. Right out of the packaging, the silhouette is striking. No armrests, no headboard bulk, just a long, lean, confident form. Wade Logan went with a backless and armless profile that creates a clean visual line from every angle. It fits seamlessly into contemporary outdoor spaces, works beautifully in a coastal setup, and suits the Japandi aesthetic, that quiet, natural, uncluttered design direction, better than almost any other lounger I've seen at this price. Assembly is quick, and the overall construction quality feels premium from the first moment you handle these pieces. Starting with the frame, this is powder-coated aluminum, and that combination matters more than most people realize. Aluminum on its own already resists corrosion naturally, but the powder coating seals the surface against moisture, humidity, and the kind of wear that comes from being left outside through multiple seasons. Rain, poolside splashes, summer heat, humid nights, none of that is going to cause this frame to rust or degrade. And despite being genuinely tough, the aluminum keeps things lightweight enough that repositioning these is never a chore. That repositioning is made even easier by the two rear transport wheels. Roll these across a wood deck, concrete surface, or lawn without needing to lift or drag. If you're the type to follow the sun in the morning and chase the shade in the afternoon, and honestly, who isn't, these wheels make that a completely effortless habit rather than a physical effort. The seating is a UV-treated breathable mesh fabric, and this is where the engineering gets genuinely smart. UV treatment protects the mesh from the sun's degradation over time, so the material stays strong and color stable season after season. The breathable weave means air moves through continuously. You don't build up heat underneath you the way you do with solid upholstery or thick foam cushions. It also dries fast after any contact with water, which is exactly what you want for a poolside or garden setup. The backrest system offers 5 distinct positions: upright, a shallow recline, a medium recline, a deep sunbathing angle, and completely flat. Every position locks in with confidence, giving you a reliable platform whether you're reading a book or completely checked out for a midday nap. What genuinely impressed me about the Caggiano set goes beyond the spec list. The design quality is the first thing. It photographs well, it looks even better in person, and it holds its aesthetic against pricier outdoor furniture without trying too hard. The breathable mesh comfort surprised me. Warm weather lounging on mesh this well made is noticeably more pleasant than sitting on cushioned chairs that trap heat. The 5 reclining positions work in practice, not just in theory. The locking mechanism is solid and the transitions are smooth. The transport wheels are one of those details you don't appreciate until you use them daily and realize how much friction they remove from your outdoor routine. And the storage advantage of the armless stackable design is real. These take up almost no space when not in use, which is a genuine win for anyone with a smaller patio or limited off-season storage. 2 high-quality loungers in one package at this price point is genuinely compelling value. To keep this review balanced, a few considerations before you click buy. The Caggiano loungers are cushion-free by design, with the mesh serving as the primary comfort surface. If your preference is thick, padded outdoor seating, that's a real distinction, and you'd want to account for the cost of separate outdoor cushions. The armless profile, while intentional and aesthetically strong, means there's no built-in armrest support, relevant if that's a priority for how you use a lounger. And there's no umbrella hole in the frame, so shade coverage needs to come from a freestanding or overhead solution rather than a chair-mounted umbrella. None of these are product flaws. They're conscious design choices. But knowing them up front means no surprises when your order arrives. Here's where I land on the Caggiano 77.56-inch chaise lounge set by Wade Logan. This is one of the more complete outdoor lounger packages I've come across in this category. The powder-coated aluminum frame and UV-treated mesh aren't just checkboxes. They're genuinely functional materials that hold up over time. The 5-position recline system is practical and reliable. The transport wheels and stackable storage designs solve real problems that most competing products ignore. The aesthetic is clean, modern, and versatile enough to work in multiple patio styles. If you're investing in your outdoor space in 2026 and want furniture that delivers on its promises rather than just its photos, the Caggiano set is a confident recommendation from Tech Egadget. If this review gave you what you needed, hit the like button. It helps more people find this channel. Leave a comment below if you have questions about the Caggiano loungers, or if you've already got a pair and want to share your experience. Subscribe to Tech Egadget for straight-talking product reviews on home appliances, outdoor gear, and everyday essentials, and I'll catch you in the next video.